Today we're going to make some delicious green beans, and we are going to make some delicious stuffed pasta jumbo shells. The first thing I'm going to do is to cook my jumbo shells. I placed a big pot with water on the stove. I'm going to salt my water, and I'm also going to add in 2 packs of butter, means 2 tablespoons of butter for my water, okay? We are going to allow this to come to a boil. I'm going to cook some jumbo pasta shells. This is the brand that I'm using. I got from Publix. I'm going to cook my jumbo pasta shells for 5 minutes. So once your water is heated up, you go ahead and you add the pasta shells. And remember, cook them for 5 minutes. After cooking them for 5 minutes, you're going to strain them in your colander. Next, we are going to cook some ground beef. That's right, I'm using ground beef. You can use ground chicken, you can use ground turkey, you can use ground pork. But I'm using ground beef. I have some diced onions that I'm going to use. If you don't like onions, then that is a step that you can omit, but the onions do impart flavor, okay? Onions also are healthy for you. They do help fight off certain illnesses. So go ahead and get your veggies in, such as onions. Now, we are going to add some seasoning to our meat. You have to season every step. Lightly season with some seasoning salt. Don't overdo it because you're going to have to add more seasoning to your mixture later on. Also add some black pepper. Once your ground beef is finished cooking, strain all the oil off of your ground beef. Now, if you're using ground chicken, turkey, it may not have that much of oil. Okay, so now we're going to place our ground beef back in our skillet, and we are going to add in some pasta sauce. Use the pasta sauce of your choice. We are using the roasted garlic brand, okay? And it tastes really, really good. But always remember, use the pasta sauce that you have or that you like. So we are going to blend all these items together, and now I am going to season. I'm going to add in different seasonings such as parsley. I'm going to add in some basil. Basically some Italian flavors. You can use Italian seasoning, okay? Now after I use my ground basil, I'm going to use some oregano. I use about a tablespoon of oregano. I will have the ingredients listed in the description box. I'm using some garlic powder. I'm going to use some onion powder. And for each of these seasonings is about a tablespoon. I'm adding some red pepper flakes to make a little heat. Not too much, about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add in some more black pepper. This is where it comes in, where I am also going to add in some salt, okay? Not much, but some salt. I'm going to add in about a half a tablespoon of salt. But taste it and see if you want to add more for your liking, okay? Now mix everything together after you allow that to simmer for a few minutes. Then you're going to add in some spinach. Spinach is very healthy, and this recipe calls for spinach, okay? That way you can get some vegetables in. Your kids can get a vegetable in. And spinach is a healthy way to go, okay? So make sure that your spinach is cooking well in your ground beef mixture. Next, we are going to add in some ricotta. I'm adding in about 2 cups of ricotta, okay? Or you can add in 1 cup of ricotta. It just depends on your liking. I'm also adding in some Parmesan cheese, and I'm adding in about a half a cup of Parmesan. I'm going to add in some mozzarella. And when it comes to the cheeses, I really think that people should add the amount of cheese that they like. Okay? It's according to your taste buds on the cheese. Now it's time to stuff our shells after we have everything mixed together and cooked well, okay? So I'm going to stuff all of these jumbo shells after I have placed some of the pasta sauce at the bottom of my pan. Make sure you place about 1 cup of pasta sauce on the bottom of your pan, okay? It helps prevent the shells from sticking and burning, okay? And also, it imparts flavor to the shell to allow the shell to continue cooking while it is in the oven. Now, if you like more sauce, you can add more sauce. It just depends on your tasting, your liking, and your taste buds, okay? But I will list the exact ingredients in the description box along with some measurements, okay? And I'm still stuffing the shells. There are a lot of shells in there. After you get everything placed in the pan that you will be baking your stuffed shells in, add some mozzarella cheese to the top of your stuffed shells, and you can add some more of that pasta sauce around your stuffed shells. We preheat your oven to 340 degrees. 340 degrees. And once you finish adding your cheese to the top of your stuffed shells, you are going to go ahead and place these stuffed shells in your oven for 20 minutes. Okay? If you added more sauce, that's fine. After the 20 minutes, take them out and add the rest of your sauce. Not all of it, because that makes a lot of sauce. You can save the rest for lasagna. But top your shell. Okay, so you're going to take your stuffed shells back out of the oven, and you are going to add the sauce and cook them for 10 more minutes. Now let me show you how to steam some green beans that can taste really good. Put your pat of butter in a skillet, allow it to melt. Add you some garlic, minced garlic, and also add some garlic juice. If you don't have minced garlic, just use garlic powder, okay? And the garlic juice adds flavor as well. So we are going to mix that in with our butter, okay? Just mix it until your butter melts. And then the next step will be to go ahead and add in your green beans, okay? These are fresh cut green beans. These are not canned green beans. We're going to add in some garlic powder on our green beans so that they can taste delicious. I'm adding in some Slap Your Mama seasoning, some Cajun seasoning onto my green beans. And I'm going to add in some black pepper to my green beans. We are going to steam these green beans. Mix your green beans together in the seasoning. Mix them really, really well. Okay? After you have your green beans mixed in your seasoning, really, really good, we are going to make a hole, a well in the middle, push them out and make a well. And we are going to add in about 1/4 cup of water. Place a lid over the top of your skillet. Make sure that it closes down tightly in order for you to steam your green beans. My pasta shells are out of the oven and they are looking so delicious. Yum, yum. Pasta shells are easy, delicious for a weeknight meal. I hope you guys have enjoyed my recipe on a delicious weeknight meal idea. Stuffed jumbo pasta shells with some steamed garlic bussin' green beans. They bussin', y'all. You gotta try it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to my channel for another great video. Peace, everyone, and have a great day.